Hi, I'm Sue, and today I'm going to share with you what I know about this pair of olive trees by the brand Akara. They came in one long narrow box, not super heavy. The heavy part are the weighted ends. And of course, it's just more of a pot for utility. I'm 5'4", and so you can see, well, the tallest, that's probably getting closer to 6 feet. And what I have it in is just only about a ½ an inch. So you can see this one is the same way. I was really surprised for as many branches there are on these. They stay up really well. Now I have pets, so it's inevitable that my dog is going to walk behind them and knock them over. And then I'll be able to tuck something in there to weight them down a little bit. But these are so realistic. I'm going to go ahead and show you up close. Well, first, I'll quickly show you, this is the box that they arrive in, and then they're both in the same box with the weighted bases at the opposite ends for easy carrying. And then they're wrapped in a plastic to protect them, and it just slides right off. And you have to take your time and fluff out those branches to the way you want it. And then the bases are, I guess they're filled with cement, but they're protected as well within the box. So here's a close-up of the tree. Look at these olives. They are so very realistic. They actually look like black olives. It's actually pretty impressive. And you know, they're scattered throughout the tree, of course, some little clusters, some just single. But the light, it changes with the light of the room. You have some dark areas and some lighter areas, but that bark is so very realistic. Now, if you're planning to order or you have some sort of decorative box like I have, the bases are 5 inches high and 6 inches across, so you know what size you need to get the base you want. Now, I got these as a pair, but they're going to be separated, one in the bedroom and one's going to stay in this room. I'm just very pleased with the quality. I wasn't expecting them to look this real. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to the brand for sending these to me so I could share with you what I know. I hope you have a great day.